y'all, this is my second video of the day. I'm just trying to get some content. But these are notes that I've been had down. As I told you on the last video, I had a chemical peel done, so I've been off of YouTube for a while because my face was peeling. I was about to get on camera like that. Everybody into being real on camera, but I feel like everybody not 100% real because we all still do edits. And for me, peeling on camera is not all the way 100% comfortable. But I will do a video on the chemical peel and show y'all like up close visuals of my peeling. But that's besides the point because that's not what this video about. This video is about Vshow hair, okay? Y'all, I had did many videos on them in the past reviewing their hair. I have spent a lot of money on their hair. Wasn't paid to promote them, wasn't none of that. But I have bought a lot of hair. I probably bought a good 4 or 5 wigs from them. Paid like up to $500. I remember the first wig for Vshow paid at least $500. The other wigs probably $300 or $400. The wig which I have on today, which is a V part, I have paid for this hair and I got it on sale 2 years ago now. I got it on sale 2 years ago for in the 100 something because it was Black Friday. As y'all see, like all my them old videos, I was reviewing their hair. I was getting good hair. As y'all can see, this is good hair. Okay, it's getting old now. The ends are splitting bad and stuff. That's why I tried to buy more hair. The reason why I'm talking on the experience because I had 2 hairs after this hair, because this was the last hair that I bought that was perfect. 2 hairs after this was horrible. Y'all might be thinking, why after that 6 or something wig that you, a 5th or 6th wig you bought, why you ain't stop buying them? Okay, let me tell y'all. In the summertime, I tried to get a bang wig. I was thinking maybe the quality was bad on that one because the cap was so tight. But y'all, I could have swore when I first bought the other hair, which was like 2 years ago, buying my first hair from them, like 2-3 years ago now, that cap was big enough for my head and it was a full wig. So I was thinking, okay, what's going to be the problem with the bang? But clearly, the caps have gotten smaller. That might not be a problem for some, but it was for me because my head is bigger. But that wasn't even the only issue because if the cap was small, that would have been a bummer to me, but I would have understood that more. But the main issue was the hair quality itself. When you first took it out the pack, it wasn't bad. I feel like they do like how if you order some Amazon or hair or whatever, it look good. It might look good for 2-3 days. But after a while, you start to see maybe this isn't 100% human hair. Or if it is, I don't know, because you see the blend, the little brown streaks in there and all of that. The hair was so thin, like the density was horrible. Like even the comparison, I wish I could compare the comparison. I might put a snippet side by side right here, but if I don't, forgive me y'all. But even in comparison, these tracks in this head is way more thicker than the tracks that's in the new hair. Branding has changed. I think that is the reason why their hair has changed too. Because when I used to order their hair, it used to come in a pink box. If y'all watch one of my old videos, I might link it down below. Y'all can see it came in a pink box. Now they come in black and gold boxes. So maybe it's new ownership, but the new ownership hair quality is nowhere near the same as when they used to come in pink boxes. The hair used to be thick. Like this hair was so thick. You know, as it got older, it's kind of bad. But as y'all can see, for 2 years, don't this hair look good? And it's a V-part wig. It's still looking good. Them other hairs, I literally had after a month just sitting there, not even wearing it. The hair is literally trash. It looks synthetic and is very thin. Not only was the first wig, which was the bang cap, was very small. I tried to get my money back from them. But on this wig, I had paid for it through Klarna. I was trying to text them and tell them, you know, this wig isn't good as y'all usual wigs that I get. Like, and I have did a little promotion with them before where I did a review on a video. I didn't get really paid or nothing. They probably took some money off my next hair. But it wasn't a lot, okay? I had told them it wasn't as good as y'all other quality of hairs, you know? It was the issue, like, if so, can I get a refund? They were like have you took care of the hair like the same? Like, do you know how to take care of the hair? I was clearly telling them that I had the same hair as before. I've had hair before in the mirror. They even know because I have bought from their site. I know how to take care of hair. I said, none of y'all wigs have ever been an issue. I have my first wig from them was still in good quality until I cut it and tried to do something else with it. But that hair literally lasts me 2 years like this, and I pressed this hair a lot and I dyed and all of that. The hair is perfect. I'm over here telling them I did, like, basically did all of that with wigs. Like, I know how to take care of wigs. So then they told me, oh, well, we can give you a $40 money back. But I'm like, $40 not gonna do it. I spent $200 something on this wig. I spent like $250, $260. That's a lot of money to just get $40 back. They were talking back and forth with me. I will pull up notes if I can. I'm sorry, because y'all know with the editing. But and they basically wasn't trying to get my money back, so I ended up hitting up Klarna to have them try to pull my money back, because we all know banks can pull your money back with ease if you get fraud by a company, which that was 100% fraud, because it was not what I ordered. The hair cap on the sides of the wig was not what I ordered. Okay. It was nowhere near the 22.5 centimeters. That centimeter looked like a 15, but I don't even know. But I remember measuring it, and it wasn't what they listed on the site. Okay, because I can wear medium size for his. I just can't wear no small size, and that was a small size cap. So that wasn't right. The hair in itself was bad, horrible. The density was not as listed. I reported this to Klarna. Klarna would not give me my money back, because I'm not even gonna say what I'm gonna say about Klarna, because I'm so irritated with them, and I would never use them again, like, ever. Like, I have dealt with ZipPay, Afterpay, all of that, and Klarna is the worst one to me. I'm gonna let y'all know now, if you order something through Klarna, just be willing to take the risk that you won't get your money back if something go wrong. It's not the same that if you order with your bank and you buy something from online and get scammed. Klarna will not refund you your money. If you do get the bank to give you your money back, the bank will snatch it from Klarna, and Klarna will report you for your credit, which I think is very bold, because they used to didn't talk back and forth with credits to go on your credit, but now they do. But it's not worth none of the hassle. I literally had to deal with this problem for 4 months just to get that amount of money back. That's bold. I even have to deal with this. Yeah, I text Vshow back again after I'm done dealing with filing the dispute, because they act like after the dispute, Klarna gonna get your money back. Klarna just said, we not giving you your money back. So I go and talk to Vshow here again. You know, they felt guilty about it, because then they tried to up and offer me $70 instead of $40. So I'm like, that's bold, because you know I spent $240 on this wig, and then they talking about, because it's after the return date, I couldn't return it here. Because Klarna sent me in this dispute, and when I first told y'all about the hair, y'all was trying to refund me my money. So I just think in the whole ordeal, Klarna and Vshow I had a problem with. But when y'all purchase things from these hair places, do not put it under Klarna, because I feel like that's low-key a hack for them hair businesses to not give you your money back. Put it underneath your actual card, even if you got to save up for it or whatever you got to do. Put it on your bank, because your bank will always insure you for fraud, okay? And ever since they switched to black and gold boxes, the quality is different. So I was promoting them before. Hopefully if they see this video, they go back to normal. It was worth every little $100. I would have paid the $500 again if their quality was the same as it was before. Their quality is trash now. Before I was way madder. Now that I'm making this video, basically freaking 8 months later, I'm not as mad, but I'm here warning y'all that show hair, all that promotion you saw, it's a lie now. I done tried ordering through other people's names, and it still got that hair quality, the messed up one. I won't say that their customer service is bad, like as in getting back to you, but I will say it's bold on how they would treat you for a mishap on their end. Yeah, I just wouldn't mess with. Take back all the good stuff I said. It was good 3 years ago. Things done changed. That's this video as a warning. I'm gonna let y'all go. Stay pretty, stay blessed, stay kind, stay a little bit ratchet just in case stuff get ugly, and bye.